channel, guys, and today we are doing an unboxing of Xmate Tour. Yes, this is a gimbal and this is called Xmate Tour. So let's see what's inside the box. I just got this box from Amazon and the packing seems really nice. So let's open this box and see what we have in here. So we are opening the box and we have some paper out here, and here it is, the Xmate Tour, if you can see in this, and we have a bill in this carton. Now let me just put this aside. So we have the Xmate Tour. The box looks really nice. It's a colorful box and with a picture of Xmate Tour on the front. Now there are a few features listed on the box, if you can see over here. The features will say like connectivity, wireless connectivity, number of access is 3, battery capacity is 4000 mAh, charge timing is 2 to 3 hours, and once charged it would work for around 12 hours. Working time is up to 12 hours. Output and input is DC 5 volts and payload is 250 grams. That is quite a good payload because I am using a K20 Pro, so it takes a lot of weight. It's approximately a 200 gram phone, so I think this gimbal should perform really well with this mobile. And so it has an angle tilt of 325, roll 320 and panning of 320. Zoom functions are available. Charging is micro USB. Mobile app is supported. And compatible modules are smartphone under 6 inches size and GoPro 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will see that if it works with a GoPro or not. It is worth mentioning that I got this gimbal in 5,299, whereas the price printed on the box is 11,999. So it was quite a deal. Let's open the box and see. So in the box we get a card with Xmate on the front and love your gadget Xmate. It's written on the back. It's a QR card. I think it's a review card. You can scan it and post a review. So another card which we have is the quick start guide. So if you can see this, the quick start guide is all over here. And the third, what we get over here is introduction, manual, calibration, basic parameters. So it's kind of a manual which we get over here. So now we open the main box of the gimbal and see what's inside it. So how is it going to open? Okay, it's opening this way. So we have the gimbal over here. So let's pull it out. The gimbal is over here. It's not very heavy but really firm. So we will be doing a complete review of the gimbal once I start using it, and I'll be posting that video very soon. The other thing which we have in the box is a small box again. Let's check the contents of the box. We have a small micro USB wire over here, and this is some kind of plate which we have over here. It says tick. So if your phone is too big to balance, please attach the counterweight. So this is a counterweight which we get in this along with the gimbal. So guys, this was the full unboxing of the gimbal, and I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and comment. Those of you who have subscribed to my channel, a big thanks to you, and those of you who haven't, I hope you subscribe soon. Thanking you. Signing off, Gaurav Modi.